Hey guys, it's Dave Bennett. It's June 4th, 2014, and we have updates up the wazoo. I updated the 3-emoji HB, so you guys go in the forums and get the update for that. It's some stuff there. You'll see about it. I updated the 3T to HHB as well, so go in there and check that out. Now, what I want to talk about is the bulk subdomain creator tool. We just came out with a greater update for that, and I'll get back to this soon. Theme to HTML is rocking now. I'm going to come back and talk about that in a different video. Right now, though, I want to show you where we're at with a bulk subdomain creator. This is being released to you pretty much as we speak. You should have it within a day, okay, of the time of this recording. The rest of you guys, you're just going to get it. I got to show you 4 things with this, okay? First of all, you already know if you forgot your password, you can click this and resend your password to get in, okay? And that's for the one that you put on your own computer, all right? Yours. When you buy it, it goes, well, now on your computer, on your website, the website of your choice. So this has really come a long way. First of all, we created the look for it and everything else. Second, these are the things I want to tell you about. Okay, first of all, adding servers. Right now, I just threw a couple in there, and let me just show you what we do. So if I wanted to add a new one, you know how this goes, right? Let me just add a new one. I'm going to call add this one. So I would just add the server, and it might have add-ons on it, but that's the top level domain. You guys know that. And then I'm going to put in the cPanel info so I can actually access it by cPanel, right? Boom. Okay. Now that I have it, what can I do with it? Well, I can take a look at subdomains that are already on it, and this will tell me the subdomains that are already on it. Okay, and 3 of these, okay, one of them is real. That's this one. I can click to see what's on them. Ain't that cool? 3 of these I just created for the purpose of showing you what they're like. So how about I delete them even? Check that out. So if I wanted to delete subdomains, watch this. I'm going to go expand this one out. I can select all and then deselect the one I want to keep. I can deselect all, select all, deselect the one I want to keep, or just choose whichever ones I want just by clicking on them, right? Just click that one and that one and that one. So whatever suits my purposes, okay? That's the quickest way, so I do that. Delete, and it's going to say, are you sure? I'm going to say, yep, and it's going to work right in front of my face doing it. One after the next, they're going to be taken out. And look at that, they're going. And adding them is just as easy, right? This is the coolest thing. I can add a list of 40 or 50 if I want it all at once, right? So anyway, let's go to Moji Pro. Let's take a look at this. This has got a much bigger list and includes add-on domains. See that? Here is the top level domain, mojipro.com without a dash. But then here is moji-pro.com, and that's an add-on domain, the one with a dash, okay? And again, if I want to go deleting, like maybe I had the same subdomain on both the add-on and the main. Maybe I want to delete that project from both, okay? Again, I can do it. I can go through like this saying, okay, take out everything I'm not using, whatever it is I'm using that, I'm using that, I'm using that, but I might not be using those. Might not be using those anymore. You know, and go through your list, right? And again, if you want to get rid of most everything to clear it off, you can start by doing that and then deselect what you know you do want to keep. If you're gonna keep that, if you're gonna keep that, right? And you're going to keep that, and you're gonna keep that. All right, and then you can just delete the rest. You just come down here and hit delete, and it's just gonna straight start deleting them. By the way, look at how well laid out this is. If it's an add-on domain, or I'm sorry, a subdomain on the top level domain, it goes straight in the public HTML folder, just like you'd expect. Now, for an add-on domain, it does what it's supposed to do for Moji purposes as well. Public HTML folder, add-on folder, and then the subdomain for the add-on domain is there like it's supposed to be. Ain't that cool? That's the way it's supposed to work, and it's the way it does work. It's automatic. It's created automatically that way. Now that's very, very cool. Now if I wanted to add, so that's the second thing, right? I wanted to show you how to delete, show you how to list. Oh, here's another thing. Check this out. Servers. If I go and I want to do something like create subdomains, I can choose one. Let's say I choose mojipro.com. Well, check this out. This got to be confusing. You remember how long that list was for Moji Pro? Well, check this out. If I show the subdomains this way, just by specifying this particular website, it only shows that domain, that top level domain. See, it's all Moji Pro no dash. So all of these are absolutely the ones that do exist on that website. And again, if I want to see whether something's actually there, I can click it just to see if something's there. And this one's not, because I was showing you guys, I was creating these while showing you guys how they're created. Still have to put stuff in them if I want to make use of them. Beyond that, check this out. If I switch to the other one, that's the add-on domain inside of here, and I show all subdomains, now it's just showing me the ones for the add-on domain. Get it? So it's just the ones for the add-on domain. So now it's so much easier to see what's going on, right? That's what I wanted to show you. So that's another thing. So we can delete. We can see the subdomains just of the particular domain that we're on. And we have this new look in the first place. And the last thing I want to point out is what's coming next. And guess what's coming next? A demo list. Here's how it is right now. Let's say you want to add another one. You're going to add a new one. How do you do it the old-fashioned way? You know, you get the domain, WAP. You get, or I'm sorry, that one doesn't even have anything attached to it right now. So let me do this one. Get the domain. Sorry, I can't do it with HTTP. So I get the domain name itself, okay? And then I get, you know, what I need to log on to the cPanel, right? And it's already saying, hey, that URL is present. That just means I already have it in here. All right, so much, so good. That's all cool. Everything about it is fine. If I want to, I can add more. And I can see if they have add-ons. They don't. But I can easily add more, and that's cool. And I can add them to the add-ons if I wanted, and that'd be cool too. Now, the final thing I want to see is, yeah, this. Guess what we're creating next? The next thing people want is this. Some of you guys already have like 50 domains. You already have like 100 domains, maybe 1,000 domains. Here's just one list of domains that I have running there, and I just put fake users and passes to override them, because otherwise you guys could log in all those control panel. But take a look. This is 105 actually, because the top one is just this. But this is a list of 105 domains. If I want to go adding them in here, I have to do them one at a time right now. I have to copy this, paste it here, copy that, paste it here, copy that, paste it here, save. Now I can use it over and over again after that. That's cool. But now I have to do the same thing here. I have to copy this, I have to copy that, I have to copy that, save, right? Now, for those of you that get in business really, and you get moving and you're doing work for yourself and others, you're going to wind up with huge lists like this. You really are. And with that happening, especially if you're doing work for people who say, hey, I have 1,000 domains, say, no problem. Give me your 1,000 domains all lined up like this. Just domain name and the cPanel user, cPanel pass. Just send me that list. And you're going to just import it. So we're going to have an import button where you can just import a bunch of server lists, and it'll just automatically create them all and check all the logons as you go, and it'll have it all set up for you. All right, how's that? That sounds pretty good, doesn't it? Well, there you go. For anyone who just doesn't know, you can go to website-marketing-solutions.com, right? And when you go, and hit Strong Tools, okay, and this is the one. It's the bulk subdomain creator tool. It's absolutely cool. You use it specifically to get better ranking and to easily create your subdomains the right way, whether you're doing it for Moji, theme to HTML, or just doing it for your own purposes or doing it for other people's purposes. They need the subdomains created. You can easily create them, and that's what that tool is for. All right. No one seems to have it, which we went off looking for it. We couldn't find it. The last one we saw that was current was like 2007, and we just said, forget it. We're going to build our own. And so we did. Okay. And so that's what's going on. There's that. That's the bulk subdomain creator tool. Next video I'm going to do is going to cover the latest stuff for the theme to HTML. There are people creating their own themes, and they don't even ask us for help anymore. And I'm going to show you a bunch of them, and I'm going to show you some notes. Okay, guys, I hope you found this interesting. This bulk subdomain creator tool is really awesome, like I say. And you can go creating, you can go deleting, you can add servers, and pretty soon you're going to be able to import a whole stack of them all at once, especially for those of you with, 100 to 1,000 domains. You're already screaming, woohoo, and leaping in the air. I'm not surprised. All right, man. I could delete servers if I want and just delete them, but that's nothing new. Okay, guys, I'll talk to you later. Take care. Bye.